Did you know golf's greatest putter won 4 major championships using an illegal stroke that officials pretended not to see? Bobby Locke dominated golf in the 1940s and 50s. He won 4 Open championships and beat the best players in the world. His secret weapon? A putting stroke that broke the rules. Locke used what he called his hook putting method. Instead of striking the ball squarely like the rules required, he would hit across the ball with a hooking motion. The ball would curve left, then straighten out toward the hole. Every golf official knew about it. They watched him do it tournament after tournament, but nobody said a word. Why? Because Locke was golf royalty. He was too famous, too successful, and too beloved to penalize. For decades, officials turned a blind eye to his illegal technique. Locke kept winning with his banned putting stroke, and golf's authorities kept quiet. Only after his career ended did anyone finally admit the truth. The greatest putter in golf history had been cheating in plain sight the entire time.